stage corner with my right foot. Okay? So I take my right foot and I put on a diagonal. I take my hip from the left and do half a circle to shift the weight into my right leg. So I'm going to face the front. If you're standing, and now you imagine this is the left corner and facing the back, I step forward. As I step forward, my weight is on the back leg. I have to do a half circle from left to right, or from this leg to this leg to shift my weight. So I go front. When I get there, I lift this heel slightly and I rotate. That will take me back to the front. Okay, so we have 3, 4, 5, 6, step forward on the right leg. So have forward. As soon as you do it, you connect the circle. And then when you get here, you reverse the circle the other direction. So now I'm going to do, keep the weight on the front leg. My circle is going to go back, back, and up. So it's 1, 2 down, 1 up. It's really fast, this bit, but I'll go over it quite slowly with you. So you turn, you pivot. I have round, and then I reverse the circle. So I have round, and then I go back that way towards backstage. Doesn't matter if you do the same direction with your circles all the way through. Really, like, don't stress out about your directions. Just try to keep the circle going. And so I have circle, and then dip it, and then up it. If you've got bad knees, you're just gonna wanna stay here instead, okay? So, 5, 6, we have circle, 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 and then you put the foot forward, you reverse the circle again. So now my circle is gonna go front, right, towards the front leg. First time, it goes towards the back leg. When I step forward, it goes towards the front leg, if you care about your directions. Otherwise, don't stress out about that, just do circles. So I would have 1 here, and then I do same direction, bring my foot down, circle, it rotates around the back, I do a bit of a body roll kind of thing, and I end upon facing the right side again. Okay, so let's just do that a couple times. From the step, 6, 7, right leg forward, it goes 1, 2, in a circle, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So you've got to use your body, which is part of the reason, well, not part of the reason, it is the reason. The femme feline technique is really important to travel from the trap, to my stylization, to all of it, because it really helps you to safely strengthen the body, mobilize the body with the flexibility, so that all of these kind of movements, you can do them with shape, with your sinuous movement and the aspects that make it what it is. Okay, so study some more of that, come to my school or do it online. Okay, so here we go. Are you ready? Let's do one more time. 6, step forward on the right leg. It's round and reverse, reverse, up, reverse it, push it, whip it, turn it, roll it, through it. Push it, turn it, whip it, roll it, turn it, all that good stuff. Okay, let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Take your hips. 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Whip. 1, 2, and 3. Pa pa. 5, 6, 7, 8. Get low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1. Accent. 2. Accent. 3. Accent. Wait for the music. 5, 6, 7. We go. Stay low. 1. Behind. Step. Touch. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. 1, 2, 3. Get ready to go in diagonal. 7 and 8. Roll it. 2 and 3. 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Woo! Okay, now we got 2 moves left. So let's do it, and then we can just drill it a few times together. And yes, then you can learn it, and then you can send me videos, and I can look at it and I can go, yay! All right, anyway, you come here, let me show you. I'm gonna do traveling, rolling with my hips, circular motions, and we're gonna play with the hair, okay? How do you do that? You glide. So we stay low. My back leg is my right leg, my front leg is my left. And you basically have to heel toe the back foot to glide forwards. I'll face the side as well. It's kind of like a crab in a way that a crab goes sideways. So here, I'm gonna tap and I travel. You have to stay low, okay? You're gonna wanna come up and down because your leg's probably gonna get really sore, but that's part of it. So just stay nice and low. As I go over, all right? And now, my circle, it doesn't really matter which way your circle goes, but my circle is going to go towards this leg. So I'm going to go front, this is my left, back, right, front, left, back, right, front, left, back, front, front. Yes, and you let the body get involved how you wish. When I choreographed it to play with the hair, but you can do whatever you want with your arms. It doesn't have to be what I do, yeah? You can manipulate and do whatever you want, play, but say something with your movement. Whatever you do, say something with your movement. So what I'm teaching you is choreography that I'm teaching my students actually. I started teaching them, haven't finished them yet. Maybe you'll learn before them, who knows. I'm starting teaching them this choreography. So I'm teaching you what I'm teaching in my class. However, you please modify to make it suit you. Or if you don't quite understand bits, then you can tweak it to make it work for you, right? That's the beauty of the live streams and being in class, is I can see you and correct you if it's live on camera or live in the studio. And if you do the online classes, then of course I can correct you if you send me videos and stuff. But for now, you make it work for you so you can have fun, okay? So, we try it. We do 4 coming towards myself. So, and arms, whatever you want. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So, final move, let's do it, we put it together. I step onto this leg, and I do what I call skater turn in my school. Okay, so what you do is you plie this leg, you raise the heel, and this one, it's like a compass, this foot draws a circle around, yeah? So there's no weight on it, actually. It gets left behind, and I spin. All right, so when we do it, we will just do a quick turn into the motion. Again, if you haven't got the right floor, I encourage you just to kind of step the turn instead and stylize your turn. So do something with your hands. Don't just leave them hanging doing weird stuff. Okay, so we're gonna go into that. So let's go from the shuffle. 5, 6, 7, and 1. It's very slow, so indulge. 5, 6, 7, step and skates. Good. Now the final move that we're gonna do is hair motions. I will show you first. It's very signature to my school, this particular style. And this particular variation is something that I do a lot in my own style that I share with my students. So, it's a hair whip. And I will have back. And you can go higher and really play with it and really get your shape, and you can stay low. And it's all about the hair. If you've never done it before, you're gonna get dizzy very quickly. So I advise, don't try it without being taught properly how to do that, because it can be disastrous. Okay, so please don't do that. If you've learned it, put the head in. Be careful of any sharp objects around you, please. If you haven't learned it, I would suggest you just do the body. So the body. We use our plie. I'm just going to show you the body. I'm not going to teach you the head and that good stuff. You can learn that in my classes. Okay, so we shift weight from side to side. And actually, when I step, I keep the weight on this leg. So I have right, this is my right side, right, left, right, right, left, right, ha, ha, yeah. And if you've got it, you put the hair in. And if you've got that, you get the lift, lift. So the axle from this side. Okay, there's 4 of them. And that's the end. So let's go from the beginning. Let's back up the volume. If you've got any bits you want to go over, press pause, rewind, now's the time. Otherwise, practicing movement for the moment while we wait for the music to begin. Smile and breathe. And breathe. Really go for it. Get ready.